Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned peas. First, gather your fresh peas, ensuring they are young and tender for optimal taste. Shell the peas and give them a good rinse under cold water. While doing this, sterilize your canning jars, lids, and bands. This crucial step ensures a safe and successful canning process, preparing everything for the next stage. Next, it's time to blanch your peas. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and immerse the shelled peas for exactly 2 minutes. After blanching, quickly transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and preserve their vibrant color. Once cooled, pack the peas into your hot, sterilized jars, making sure to leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. Now let's prepare the brine. For every quart of water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to a boil. Carefully pour this hot brine over the peas in each jar, still maintaining that 1 inch of headspace. Use a non-metallic tool to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and securely fasten the lids and bands, preparing them for processing. The final step is pressure canning. Place your jars in a pressure canner and process them at 10 pounds of pressure for 40 minutes. Once the processing time is complete, turn off the heat and allow the canner to cool down naturally before opening. After 12 to 24 hours, check all jar seals. Properly sealed jars can be stored in a cool, dark place for long-term enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.